Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. I feel like sekuyisikhathi manje zabalandeli silivuma iqiniso. Yes, singa-support ama-team nama-team esiwathandayo. Kodwa ke igame yanamhlanje yeMamelodi Sundowns versus iKaizer Chiefs. I feel like isivule amehlo sonke ezabalandeli bebhola la South Africa. Ukuthi lo mjida lo, when it comes to ama-games are important. When it comes to ama-games athatha i-team yakhe ayibeke kwenye lesi level, umjida uyashow up ngempela. Yabona kwigame namhlanje. Kwigame namhlanje ungikhombisile ukuthi kumjida usengakwazi ukuthi ke ayibambe iziqine uma simnikeza ithuba lokuthi ke aye kwiWorld Cup. Yabona ke manje ngiyaphakamisa isandla ezuvane ngithi bafethu umjida uyadeserve kwisquad seKaizer Chiefs. Sikhona sisonkana isquad seKaizer Chiefs, uyena umdlali operforma kunabo bonke abakhona. Yes, bakhona abanye abadlalayo but ke yena namhlanje when it comes to being clutch for iKaizer Chiefs usho waphile namhlanje. Kunale shot nje le eshawe Modiba igame isathana kuqala umjida waqhamuka washaya i7 njani. Yabo, last minute save lapho khona besiyitshela sonke ukuthi ke iMamelodi Sundowns iyawuthatha lo mdlalo iyawwina. Wafika umjida. Yabo, uyi-show stopper yangempela. Kumele nje silivume iqiniso bafethu. uPeterson uyadeserve ukuya kwiWorld Cup. Uyadeserve futhi nokuyithatha igoalkeeper of the season. Yabo, but ke that is a story for another day. But ke in my books umjida uyadeserve ukuyithatha inike igoalkeeper of the season. But ke wona wangitshela ama comments ubani oyideserve kahle kahle igoalkeeper of the season between uSebochain benayo uPeterson, because ke asikwazi ukuthi ke sinikeze uRonan Williams. uRonan Williams, ayi, kule season hayi ngeke.